not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. National Institute of Cancer Prevention and Research is located in which of the following state? Maharastra, Uttar Pradesh, Kerela or Madhya Pradesh? The answer is B, Uttar Pradesh. National Institute of Cancer Prevention and Research, which is located in Uttar Pradesh, releases a data on cancer. The report says 1 woman dies of cervical cancer every 8 minutes in India, and for every 2 women diagnosed with breast cancer, 1 woman dies of it, and every day 2,500 persons die due to tobacco related diseases. And according to World Health Organization report, 67% cancer patients in Southeast Asia die before the age of 70 years. Now, cancer treatment is possible only if it is diagnosed at early stages, but in India most of the people are diagnosed with cancer after 60 or 65, and this is a main reason why many cancer patients are battling with life. Which of the following city had the highest commuting emissions per capita? Now this means when a person moves to office from his home or vice versa, the average emissions of greenhouse gases emitted from their vehicles is analyzed in districts across the country. The options are Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi or Kolkata. The answer is C, Delhi. Delhi had the highest commuting emissions per capita. Delhi had 2.5 times higher commuting emissions than other metro cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Banglore and Hyderabad. Recently, the study has analyzed the link between population density and emissions from vehicles in the country, and it is found out India's mean annual commuting emissions to home or from work is 20 kg carbon dioxide per capita, with highest 140 kg carbon dioxide in Gurugram district of Haryana and the lowest 1.8 kg carbon dioxide in Shravasti district of Uttar Pradesh. And it also says the emission levels rising faster in Indian cities than in China. Farmers who wish to avail themselves of benefits under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi must have which of the following proof from second installment onwards? Aadhaar, ration card, voter ID or any of the above? The answer is A, Aadhaar. Farmers who wish to avail themselves of the benefits under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi must have Aadhaar identification to get money from the second installment, which starts from July 2019. And however, this would not be compulsory for the first installment, which is expected to be disbursed by March 31st, 2019, that is before Lok Sabha polls. In the interim budget, the government announced direct income support of 6,000 rupees per year to small and marginal farmers with land holding of up to 5 acres or 2 hectares under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. According to Fugitive Economic Offenders Act, a person is declared as a fugitive economic offender when arrest warrant is issued and the value of offences exceed how many crore? 25 crore, 50 crore, 75 crore or 100 crore? The answer is D, 100 crore. Fugitive Economic Offenders Act came into effect on July 25, 2018. Do remember, very important. And Vijay Mallya is declared as a first fugitive economic offender under this act. The conditions to declare a person as fugitive economic offender is arrest warrant is issued and the value of offences exceed 100 crore rupees, refusal of the individual to return home to face the prosecution. Now, yesterday, British Home Secretary Sajid Javid had signed the order for the extradition of Vijay Mallya to India. So soon Vijay Mallya will be brought to India, as he is accused in India of conspiracy to defraud, making false representations and money laundering offences. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, INCOIS, located in which of the following city? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi or Chennai? Answer is A, Hyderabad. Now, this was a previously asked question. Do remember, INCOIS is located in Hyderabad. INCOIS celebrates 20th anniversary. It was established as autonomous body in 1999 and it works under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Recently, ISRO ex-chief K. Radhakrishnan delivered a lecture on human spaceflight emerging scenario on Foundation Day of INCOIS. Which country tops in recent ICC ODI rankings? India, England, South Africa, New Zealand. The answer is B, England. England tops in ICC ODI rankings. The top 5 ODI teams are England, followed by India, South Africa, New Zealand and Pakistan. And the top ODI batsmen are Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and Ross Taylor of New Zealand. And the top ODI bowlers are Jasprit Bumrah, Rashid Khan of Afghanistan and Trent Boult of New Zealand. From which country more than half of the leprosy cases globally were reported as stated by World Health Organization? China, India, USA or Egypt? Answer is B, India. India has more than half of leprosy cases globally reported as stated by World Health Organization recently. Leprosy is also known as Hansen's disease and it is caused by bacterium known as Mycobacterium leprae. Remember these 2 points, very important, previously asked. What is the name of the antibiotic-resistant gene that was discovered in Arctic? Devilbug, Monsterbug, Superbug or Infinitebug? The answer is C, Superbug. An antibiotic-resistant superbug gene first detected in India in 2008 and now has been found in one of the last pristine places on earth known as the Arctic. Now, the only way that these genes could have got there is either through traveling wildlife or through traveling humans. Now, there has been increasing urgency to tackle antibiotic resistance as drug resistance bacteria are expected to kill 10 million people a year by 2050. In which state Amul has launched camel milk for the first time in the brand name of Amul Camel Milk in selective areas? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana or Chhattisgarh? The answer is B, Gujarat. In the state of Gujarat, Amul has launched camel milk for the first time in the brand name of Amul Camel Milk. And in selected areas of Gujarat, markets like Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad and the Kutch. Let's see the question for the day. What is the name of the common digital currency launched by the central banks of United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia? Moolah, Eber, CRO or Urzo? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Who is the Kolkata police chief for whom Mamata Banerjee sat on a dharna? The answer is A, Rajiv Kumar, as rightly answered by many people in the comment section. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. The CBI has accused Rajiv Kumar of being a potential accused in the Sharada and Rose Valley Ponzi schemes, as these cases were earlier investigated by him, and CBI said that it was possible that he might have tried to destroy the evidence. In 2014, the Supreme Court had transferred all investigations of the Sarda scam to the CBI, and almost after 5 years, the CBI knocks the door of the top cop's home, that too on Sunday, and Mamata Banerjee protests against CBI questioning of the city police chief. And she sat on a dharna saying, "Save democracy, save India." And today the top court, the Supreme Court of India, says Rajiv Kumar cannot be arrested and he should cooperate with the CBI. Quote for the day: many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. When you get a thought of giving up, maybe that is the time that you may succeed, so never give up. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.